Living Proof Shampoo is a premium hair care product renowned for its innovative, science-backed formulas designed to transform hair health from the root up. Unlike many traditional shampoos, Living Proof products are developed by scientists at MIT and feature patented technology that addresses hair problems at the molecular level. The brand's shampoos are especially popular among people who struggle with issues like frizz, oiliness, damage, and flatness. Living Proof avoids harsh ingredients like sulfates, silicones, parabens, and phthalates, making it a top choice for those seeking clean, effective, and high-performance hair care. One of the brand's most popular products is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day (PhD) shampoo, which is designed to deliver cleaner, healthier hair with every wash. It works by using the brand's patented healthy hair molecule, OFPMA, that helps repel dirt and oil, keeping hair cleaner for longer. This shampoo gently cleanses while improving smoothness, strength, and shine. Users often find that they can go longer between washes due to how clean and balanced their scalp feels after use. It's ideal for all hair types and works especially well for people with a busy lifestyle who prefer low-maintenance, long-lasting hair freshness. For those dealing with frizz and humidity, Living Proof No Frizz Shampoo is a favorite. It is formulated with a humidity-blocking molecule that smooths hair without weighing it down or making it greasy. It's excellent for those living in humid climates or with naturally frizzy hair, and it helps maintain sleek, polished styles throughout the day. Another standout product is the Restore Shampoo, which is tailored